Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you how I was able to install, like, quickly easily install this wig. This is a Kinky wig, and this particular one I'm wearing is so long. Let me show you guys. See, you guys can see it's really long, and it's so full. Like, oh, you guys just take a look at it. It is so full. Okay, look at the back now. Let me tell you, I have a lot of hair at the back. So okay, let me bring them forward so you guys will see. So you guys can see the hair is incredibly full, seriously. But on the website, you always have a choice to pick out the one with less density, like with less hair, because I believe the more density, the more the price. In case if you're wondering, this wig is from Ashimary Hair Company. I'm going to put all their specs and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below. The wig came with amazing stuff in the package. I'm going to show you guys in the video. But something that stood out for me is the robe it came with. So this is actually the first time I've received the wig with a robe. So it comes with a robe, which is really interesting. It's a beautiful robe, good size as well, and made with very nice material. That is a kudos to them. That is really nice. So the wig is a lace closure wig. It's not a frontal. It's a lace closure wig, which makes it, and it comes with a band, which makes it a wear and go wig, which makes it easier to wear. I use my beard hairspray in the closure area, but you don't have to do it with this wig, because the amazing thing is that you can just wear it and go, because the band is really tight. It's adjustable, so you can adjust it as you want. So I adjusted it to be very tight and firm, and so it's a lace closure. That's the advantage of lace closure. You just wear it and off you go. You don't have to use the beard spray, but I've decided to use it because I'm used to using it anyway. But I decided to use it, and you guys can see it looks so beautiful. And with this wig, you can style it in so many ways. I did a middle part. I can do it like a side pattern right here, because the lace closures I think is up to this place, so I can do a side part right here as well, and I can always braid it and do so many styles with this hair. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what the packaging looks like. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. So these are the accessories that came with the wig. Like I said, the wig came with a robe, which is really amazing. It's so beautiful. So this is what the wig looks like. As you guys can see, the hair on this wig is something else. It is so full. And like I said earlier on, it came with a band, which will help keep the wig very well secured, and it's a lace closure wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. And then I'll try to place it properly. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my beard hairspray. Like I said, it's optional. You don't have to apply it. This wig is actually a wear and go wig, but I just like to apply it. And I'm gonna secure it with a band and leave it to dry. So right here, I'm just going to work on the hair. I'm going to spray a little bit of water, then apply a little bit of leave-in conditioner. And also, I'm going to apply my heat protectant oil because I'll be using the hot comb. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and take out the band, and then I'm going to create my pattern. I'm going to tweeze out the hair in the pattern to make the part look more natural. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. After that, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of concealer on the pattern. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for. And then I'm going to use my hot comb to comb it down to lay the part very well, to lay the closure very well. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. And this is what it looks like, guys. This looks absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love this wig. It's so beautiful. So right here, I'm going to quickly do like a side parting. And you guys can see it looks so lovely. And then of course I'm going to braid it because I absolutely love braiding this wig. So I'll be doing like a butterfly braid. And this is what it looks like, guys. So beautiful. I absolutely love it. And that is what it's going to be for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.